video shows how to use the word finder feature on your Accent device. If you're looking for a specific word and are not sure which category it falls under, select the tool icon and then go to the toolbox. You'll see on the bottom row the pink button. It's called Go to Spell. From here, the top row with the blue button says Finder Word. Select that, and the program will ask you to enter a word to find. Let's look for the word bike. Enter the word, press OK. Now the program gives us the sequence of icons to find the word bike. A truck, then some vehicles, and then the bike. Let's try it out. Press OK, go back to our home page, and here you see the truck. Here's the vehicles, and there's our bike.